welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna show you how to do this quick, easy blue eye look. So let's hop straight into it. I am gonna start off by priming my eyelid with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in Warm Honey. So how have you guys been? Cause the quarantine, I ain't feeling it no more. It ain't been too bad where I'm at, but definitely not feeling it. Look at me finna mess up. Let me get a mirror. So you just want to pat out your concealer till it's flat. We're going to start with the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. Excuse me, because it's dirty. And we are going to dip straight into this blue shade right here. And I am just taking a fluffy brush. This is Beauty Accents. I had got it from Dollar General, but just a fluffy brush. And we're going to dip into it and we're going to pack it in the crease. And you just want to build that shade up till you get it to how you want it. And you just want to, like I said, pack it in the crease. So now that we have that color built up, we are going to take a fluffy brush. We're going to dip it into some translucent powder. And I'm just going to tap that right above my brow bone to set that concealer. So when we go in with our higher transition shade, it won't be patchy and hard to blend out. So you just want to tap some powder right there. And I learned that trick, well, this trick, from Makeup Tiffany off of YouTube. So that's usually what she does. And it's really helpful. It really makes it look better. So now that we have did that, we are going to go in with the BH Cosmetics palette again. And we are going to take the blue next to the blue we just used, so this baby blue, and we're gonna blend out the first blue we put down. So you just want to blend it out. And I like to use tapping motions like that. And I just tap the blend. So now I am going to go in and dip straight into this dark blue right here. And I'm going to take a more dense brush because I really just want it in the crease and not like disperse. I kind of want it in one spot. So we're just going to dip in there, tap off the excess, and put it right into the crease. I'm kind of starting a little bit lower, like right on my lid, just so that I can bring it up higher and it won't be too high than the first blue, if that makes sense. So I feel like if I start on my lid and kind of bring it up, it's better than starting right in the crease and accidentally going too high and covering the first blue. So I'm just packing this right in the crease. And like I said, you eventually just bring it up to the crease. But like I said, I started lower on my lid and slowly bring it up. And then we're going to go back to the first brush that we used and dip back into that blue and tap it to blend out this blue. because it kind of got taken away from. We're going to go in with a brush about this size. And we're going to dip into black just a tad bit. Tap off the excess because the black can get messy real fast. So, just going to go in and we're just going to place it in the crease like we just did with that blue. That dark shade of blue. And really, we're just mixing these two together so I can get a deeper blue. So that's all I'm really doing here. It's because I don't want it to be black, but I want it to be a deep blue. And I don't have a deep blue like I want it. So when you don't have something, just create it, sis. And then we're going to switch back to that dark blue. Take some out of that BH Cosmetics palette and place it right on top of the black. And then after that, we're going to go back in with our first blue. Blend it out. Now that we have that together, before we cut our crease, I just like to go in and wipe off some of the extra eyeshadow. Just so our crease color won't be this blue, if that makes sense. Okay, so now that we got much of the lid cleaned off, we are going to go in with a flat brush. And instead of my concealer, I actually am going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. This is in the shade Create. So now we're just going to go in and cut our crease. And we're only going to go halfway. We're not going to go a full cut crease. So now that we have that cut, we are going to go in and pick up our last shade, which is this greenish looking bluish kind of shade out of the Morphe 35S. And I'm going to just take a packer brush. Okay, so now that we have that shade packed on, I just want to go back in with the brush that I had dipped in the black eyeshadow with. I'm not going to add any extra eyeshadow. I'm just going to use what's left on my brush to blend out, blend in between the shimmer shade and the matte shades that we have down. So I'm just going to start with the black and kind of just drag it in some. Not going to drag it too far in. Just kind of get that blend there. And then on top of that, I'm going to go back in with the brush that we used for the dark blue shade. I'm not going to add any more product. Just going to tap it right on top of that black to get that deep blue that we were creating. I sent you. So, now that we are back from doing lashes and liner, I am going to go in with the fluffy brush that I used to put down that very first blue out of the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Excuse me. Probably been saying that wrong the whole video. But you just want to tap off the excess, and we just going to lightly tap it. We're going to go from outer corner to inner corner, but tapping it on the very lash line. Very bottom lash line.
And this is the worst part for me, but it looks so pretty, so. Just want to tap, tap, tap to blend it.
Then we are going to go in with our angle brush. We're going to dip back into the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. And we're going to 75% of the way line our waterline. Because I'm going to go, the sparkle shade that I put on my lid, I'm actually at it 25% of the way. So I just look up and apply the liner down here. And now that we have that, we're just gonna go back in and take a flat brush that I had already dipped in the black eyeshadow and just smudge it out. So just want to lightly smudge it, and I just like to go back and look at it because I don't want it to be too dark at the bottom to where it kind of look like I got raccoon eyes. I don't want that black to take over. Go back in with our packer brush and pick up that greenish blue shimmer shade and put it in the rested part. So I'm gonna go like up towards my inner corner and go 25% of the way. Just like that, darling. And then we're gonna pack on some mascara on the bottom lash line, and I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara currently, and I haven't found one other than this one that I like. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. This is the waterproof mascara, and I love this mascara, like love this mascara. So we just gonna pack it on the bottom lash line. And after that, all this lip is gonna do highlight and probably decide on a lip color. I may go with nude, I don't know, because I don't have no blue lipstick or nothing of that sort to match it. So yeah, we're gonna go with a nude. So I'm gonna just spray my face with the Black Radiance Long Lasting Setting Spray. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys like it because I love it. I'm going to start working with blue eyeshadows more. If you don't mind, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will have my social media handles down below so we can interact with each other on other platforms. Thank you for watching, and yeah.